Welcome to Mathematics class, Chapter 7, Time Goes On, Part 2. Today we learned how a birth certificate looked like. Here is a sample of birth certificate. It is in form number 5 and issued by Government of State of Place of Birth. It contains name of the newborn, parent's name, gender of the newborn, date of birth, place of birth, registration number and date of registration. Again I am telling it is in form number 5 and issued by Government of the State of Place of Birth. It contains name of the newborn, parent's name, gender of the newborn, date of birth, place of birth, registration number and date of registration. We have a sample birth certificate here, and from these you have to write the following answers. So 2/5/2002 shows that Binsi was born on 2nd of May in the year 2002. How old will Binsi be on 2nd May 2008? Born on 2002. So 2008, that is 6 years. Now third, how old will she be in the year 2052? Born on 2002. So in the year 2052, after 50 years, that is 50 years. So answer is 50 years. So on what date will she be 8 years old? Write in numbers. Born on 2002. So 8 years old. 2nd May 2010. How many months old was Binsi on 2nd August 2002? 3 months. How many years old is Binsi now? 7 years. After how many months of her birth was the certificate issued? 3 months. So what is the registration number of her certificate? That is 8158/2. Next, find out when were you born. Write your date of birth in numbers. Do you have a birth certificate? Ask your parents and make one for yourself. Yes, I have my birth certificate and it is as under. So I have made a birth certificate of a boy named Rahul. His date of birth is 12 October 1993. So when were you born? 12th October 1993. Write your date of birth in number 12/10/1993. So now this is the birth certificate of Rahul. Form number 5, Government of New Delhi birth certificate. This is to certify that this information is taken from the original record of birth which is in the register for the year 1993 of New Delhi. Name Rahul, sex male, date of birth 12/10/1993, 12 October 1993, place of birth Kolkata, name of father Ramesh, name of mother Rakhi, date of registration 12/10/1993, registration number 115/93, date 5/2/1994, signature of issuing authority. Now, this is a calendar of 2006. You know there are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, let us now discuss about calendar in the next slide. Calendar. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2006. How many months does a year have? 12 months. List the months which have 30 days. April, June, September and November. List the months which have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, December. How many days does the month of February have? 28 or 29 in the leap year. How many days makes a week? 7 days. How many weeks in there in July? 4 weeks. Is it true for all the months? Yes. In which month did you come to class 3? April. Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. 26 January, 14 November, 31st December. See the calendar and do as directed. Circle on that. Circle on this date. So, is there something special about these dates? Answer: yes. 26 January is Republic Day, 14 November is Children's Day and 31st December is New Year Eve. Now fill in the blanks with the correct year. Which year was it 2 years back? 2004. Second, in which year were you in class 2? 2005. Third, which year will be the next year? 2007. Which year will come after 3 years? 2009. So these all dates are calculated with reference to 2006 because we are discussing calendar of 2006. Now, which festival comes first? Given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar 2006 to find the days on which these fall. Name of the festival: Diwali. Diwali date, that is October 21 and day is Saturday. Pongal. Date January 14. day is Saturday. Raksha Bandhan, August 9, day is Wednesday. Gandhi Jayanti, October 2, day is Monday. Milad ul Nabi, April 11, day is Tuesday. Onam, September 5, day is Tuesday. Guru Nanak's birthday, November 5, day is Sunday. Guru Ravidas birthday, February 13, day is Monday. Christmas Day, December 25th, day is Monday. Bihu, April 14, day is Friday. Arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. First Pongal, then Guru Ravidas birthday, third Milad ul Nabi, fourth Bihu, fifth Raksha Bandhan, sixth Onam, seventh Gandhi Jayanti, eighth Diwali, ninth Guru Nanak's birthday, 10th Christmas Day. So which festival comes in the beginning of the year? Pongal. Which festival comes at the end of the year? Christmas. Calendar magic. Here is a calendar for the month of February 2007. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. Here is a square in this calendar. So, which is the number in the center of the square? In the center of the square, that is 13. Shown. So, now join three numbers by drawing a line. So, three numbers joining 12, 13, 14, one line, and then 6, 13, 20, another line. The line must pass through the number at the center. So, center number, that is 13. So, how many such lines can you draw? 4 lines. How? That is 12, 13, 14, one line, 6, 13, 20, another line, 5, 13, 21, another line, and then 7, 13, 19, another line. Add the 3 numbers on each of these lines. What do you notice? So 5 plus 13 plus 21, that is 39. Then 6 plus 13 plus 20, that is also 39. 19 plus 13 plus 7, that is also 39. 12 plus 13 plus 14, that is also 39. So, all 4 lines when we are joining, all numbers when we are joining, so all these 3 numbers when we are joining and we are getting these 4 lines, then we will get 39. When we are adding this 5, 13 and 21, then we get 39. And we adding 6, 13, 20, then also 39. 19, 13, 7, then also 39. And 12, 13, 14, then also we get 39. Now look at the calendar of 2006. Also look for the present month and draw any similar square in your notebook. Does the magic work for this? Answer: the calendar of February 2006 is as under. So now number 14 is in the center of this square. on joining three numbers in a line, we have on adding these numbers, that is 6, 14, 22 in a line, we get 42. Then 7, 14, 21 we get 42. Then 8, 14, 20 in a line, we get 42. Then 13 plus 14 plus 15 in a line, we get 42. The total of each line is the same. Yes, the magic also works here. Is this magic possible on a 10 into 10 number chart? Go to the chapter Fun with Numbers and check. Let us select any two square. So here two squares are there. So in this first square, in the first square we have 31, 22, 13 in a line. We are adding 31, 22, 13, we get 66 in a line. Next 32 plus 22 plus 12, we get 66. Next 33 plus 22 plus 11, we get 66 in a line. 21 plus 22 plus 23, we get 66. So here also this magic works. In next square, there also in the center 43 number. So now if we add in a line 61 plus 52 plus 43 plus 34 plus 25, we get 215. In second, if we add in a line 63 plus 53 plus 43 plus 33 plus 23, then also we get 215 in a line. Now next, if we add 65 plus 54 plus 43 plus 32 plus 21, we get 215. Fourth, in a line 41 plus 24 plus 43 plus 44 plus 45, we get 215. Here also, therefore magic also works here. More magic. March 2007. Here 5 numbers are there. 5 dates, 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. So if we add these 5 numbers in this box, then we will get 75. The total is 75. If we multiply the middle number, that is 15, by 5, then we get also 75. Same will work in the next line. 5 digits are there, 2, 9, 16, 23 and 13. Here also if we add these, then we get 80. And the middle number, that is 16. 16 middle number multiply by 5, then we will get also 80. So this magic will work in all the 3 boxes where 5 dates are there. Complete the calendar for August 2006. Answer: complete calendar for August 2006 is as under. So now color all the Sundays in red. That means 6, 13, 20 and 27. You color these all in red. Now question, on which day does this month end? Thursday. Then write the number of days in this month, 31. What day is it on 13th August? Sunday. What is the date on the second Saturday? 12th. Is the 21st a Sunday? No. What is the day on the 29th? What will be the date on the same? On the same day next week? Tuesday, 5th September. How many Thursdays are there in this month? 5. Now find out. Which months in the calendar 2006 have 5 Sundays? Answer. The months of January, April, July, October, December in the calendar 2006 have 5 Sundays. Second question. Is there any other day in any month which comes 5 times? Answer. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday in January 2006 comes 5 times. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in March 2006 comes 5 times. Sunday, Saturday in April 2006 comes 5 times. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in May 2006. Thursday, Friday in June 2006. Sunday, Monday, Saturday in July 2006. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in August 2006. Friday, Saturday in September 2006. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday in October 2006. Wednesday, Thursday in November 2006 and Sunday, Friday, Saturday in December 2006 comes 2 times in these months. Next question, can there be 6 Sundays in a month? Why? Answer, 6 Sundays cannot fall in a month as there are 4 or 5 weeks in a month. So here we are ending part 2 of chapter 7. See you in the next class.